Okay, so we are going to now go over the last page of the dimensional analysis extras worksheet. And so we'll go over this thing. Let me just see if I can make that brighter. Oh, there we go. Okay, so as I go over this thing, before I actually go over any of these, I'm going to actually, either if you have not done this yet, I will pause the video and you're going to do that problem. Okay, then I'll go over the answers. So like the very first one, let's just get started now. What is the answer for question number 20? How many grams are equivalent to 1.80 times 10 to the minus 4 tons? So that's the question that I'm going to ask you. Let's go over the answer right now. There it is. I have 164. Don't worry about sig figs right now for this, though if you want to be technical, actually, I probably did not do that right now to look at it again. That's 2 sig figs technically, so it should probably be 160. Let me just change that to 160 grams to 2 sig figs. But if you saw 3 sig figs from that number, fine. Because if you didn't know this definition is not exact, that's okay. So, starting with tons, I know from the conversion factors that 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. And how did I know 1 ton is 2,000 pounds? It's given to us on the first page that 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. Knowing that, notice that the units tons and tons cancel. Then we have 2,000 pounds, 2.2 pounds is a kilogram, right? Where is it? I did this earlier, so I already forgot where it is on this paper. Oh, right there. 2.2 pounds is a kilogram. I put pounds in the denominator, so I cancel all that pounds. Next thing, a kilogram is 1,000 grams. That's just a prefix kilo. Prefix kilo, kilograms cancel. So it'd be 1.80 times 10 to the minus 4 times 2,000 divided by 2.2 times 1,000 is 164 if you want it 3 sig figs, or technically it should be 2 sig figs or 160 grams. Okay, so that was question number 20. Next question, question number 21. Question reads, a gas station is charging $1.299, $29.9 per gallon for gas. What would the price be for a liter of gas? And so for this particular question, I'm actually give you a hint. That is, what's given is 1 gallon is equal to $1.299. So that's kind of stated right there. A gallon is $1.29.9. So a gallon is $1.299. So question is, what's the price? Meaning I want to find dollars given a liter. So that's the question. Do whatever math you got to do and to answer this question. And so I'm now asking the question, what would the price be for a liter of gas? Going over this now. The answer I got was $0.343. Start off with a liter. That was my given. Okay, a liter. So that's my given. I'm trying to find the price, or dollars. I'm trying to find dollars. So given a liter, question's how many dollars? I only know gallons to dollars, and that was on the conversion factors on the first page. Conversion factors on the first page says, I don't know where it is, 3.79 liters. Oh, right there. 3.79 liters is a gallon. 3.79 liters is a gallon. So use that thing so that liters cancel. Then you know a gallon is $1.29, 1.299. So the only thing that's left is dollars. Multiply everything top, divide by everything on bottom. I got 0.343. Question number 22. Determine the number of years that are in 8.35 times 10 to the 6 minutes. So what is the answer for number 22? Okay, my answer was 15.9 years. And the reason why I got 15.9 years, start off with my given, change, which was in minutes, change minutes to hours, 60 minutes an hour, minutes cancel. Change hours into day, there's 24 hours in a day. Now hours and hours cancel. Next thing, change days into year. There's 365 days in a year, days cancel. So the only thing that's left is the unit of years. It'll be 8.35 times 10 to the 6 divided by 60, divided by 24, divided by 365. I got 15.9. Next question, and a hint of that next question. Next question, number 23. It says, a quart of liquid has a mass of 2.70 grams, or kilograms, not just grams. How many quarts will it take to weigh 100 pounds? What I'm told is whatever this liquid is, 1 quart of this unknown weighs 2.70 kilograms. That's what I wrote here. 1 quart is 2.70 kilograms. Question is, how many quarts is 100 pounds? If it was 100 kilograms, that would be easy, because 2.7 kilograms is a quart. But this is 100 pounds. So do whatever math you got to do to answer this question, because I'm now asking you what's the answer for number 23? Going over this answer, I had 16.8. Start off with the 100 pounds, the given. Okay, I always start off with the given. I'm just circling it that and writing it down as given. Question is, or what I'm trying to find, is the number of quarts. So given 100 pounds, question, how many quarts is that? So I changed pounds to kilograms. There's 2.2 pounds in a kilogram. That's on the first page of the conversion factors. So pounds and pounds cancel. I just technically noticed this probably should be 2 sig figs. So if you put at the end 2 sig figs, 17 quarts, that might be better. But that's okay. Don't worry about sig figs for this right now. Now I have kilograms. Also know 2.7 kilograms is a quart. 2.7 kilograms is a quart. So the units kilograms and kilograms cancel. So I just have the units of quarts. 100 divided by 2.2 and 2.7 is 16.8. So if you want to be technical about 2 sig figs, 17 quarts is the answer. Okay. Next, if you didn't know that, you could probably have just done, well, 2.70 is 3 sig figs, which is least, if you did not know this is 2 sig figs, and you thought this is a definition, exact definition, meaning this infinite number of sig figs, the least number of sig figs there would be 3 or 3. But you didn't know, but this is actually technically 2 sig figs. This is an approximation. Question number 24. 62 months is equal to how many seconds? 62 months is equivalent to how many seconds? So that's question number 24. Let's answer that. Oh, that's off the screen. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, 62 months is equal to how many seconds? So start off with my given 62 months. 12 months in a year. Months and months cancel. 1 year is 365 days. Years and years cancel. Days, 24 hours. Days and days cancel. 1 hour, 60 minutes. Hours and hours cancel. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Minutes and minutes cancel. The only thing that doesn't cancel left are seconds. Or 62 divided by 12 times 365 times 24 times 60 times 60. On my calculator, I got that big number. If you want to be technical, 2 sig figs. Round that to 2 sig figs is 1.6 times 10 to the 8th seconds. So 10 to the 8th, that's about 160 million seconds. Question number 25. Push this paper up. Question number 25. It says a car consumes 25 gallons of fuel when driving a distance of 400 kilometers. How many gallons will it consume when driving 250 miles? So what it's saying is this car, who knows what, doesn't say what car it is, doesn't matter. 25 gallons of gas equals 400 kilometers. A car uses 25 gallons to drive 400 kilometers. 25 gallons of gas equals 400 kilometers. Question is how many gallons to drive 250 miles? I'm given miles, and I just know kilometers to gallons, but I want to find gallons. So do whatever math you have to do to solve question number 25. So question number 25, the answer is 25.2 gallons. So given 250 miles, this is my given. I always start with the given. So 250 miles, that was my given. And I know miles to kilometers on the front page of the conversion factors sheet. I know that there's 0.621 miles in a kilometer. Miles and miles cancel. And I know from this problem is given 400 kilometers, kilometers on the bottom, is equal to 25 gallons. Kilometers and kilometers cancel. Multiply 250 times 25, divide by 0.621 and 400. And I got 25.2 gallons. Though, if you want to read that as 2 sig figs, 250 miles. Oh no, well, technically this is not 2 sig figs. That number is 4 significant figures. I only wrote it as 2 sig figs here, but that number is 4 sig figs. That's 4 sig figs. That's 4 sig figs. This number here is 3 significant figures. That's why I rounded to 3 sig figs. 25.2 gallons. Question number 26. 0.0054 weeks is equivalent to how many minutes? So question, 0.0054 weeks is equivalent to how many minutes? So let's answer that question. I had 54 minutes. So weeks, first thing I did. A week is 7 days. Week and week cancels. A day is 24 hours. Days and days cancel. An hour, 60 minutes. Hours and hours cancel. So it'd be 0.0054 times 7 times 24 times 60. And on my calculator, I got 54. Okay, last one. Question number 27. How many feet per second is a wave going if it travels 1 mile in 7.35 seconds? Okay, so 7.35 seconds. Well, what's your answer? Okay, so good. Let's go over this, and I got 718 feet. 1,718 feet. I'm given that this thing travels 1 mile in 7.35 seconds. So I have miles per second. I don't want miles per second. I want feet per second. All I'm trying to do is change miles into feet. 1 mile is equal to 5,200 feet. 5,280 feet. That's on the first page. Miles cancel. So what you have left are feet per second, or 718 feet per second. All right, we finished this entire worksheet. If you get all this kind of stuff, then you get dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis uses these conversion factors. Things are equal. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 day is 24 hours. 1 hour is 60 minutes. We use conversion factors to help us convert from one unit to another. And that's it for this video.